Nightingale and Dove. Once upon a time, in a land embraced by fragrant blossoms and whispering trees, there lived a melodious nightingale named Melody and a gentle dove named Harmony. Melody, with feathers of silver and gold, resided in the depths of a lush forest, enchanting all with her mesmerizing songs. Harmony, with soft, snow-white plumage, nested within the peaceful grove on the outskirts of the forest. One radiant morning, the mellifluous tune of Melody's song captured Harmony's attention, stirring a peculiar longing in the dove's heart. Despite their differences in habitats, Harmony felt a pull toward Melody's harmonious melodies. Inspired by curiosity, the dove embarked on a journey to meet the nightingale. Amidst the trees and blossoms, Harmony found Melody perched atop an ancient oak tree, her enchanting tunes resonating through the woods. The nightingale's radiant melodies immediately welcomed Harmony. A tentative conversation ensued, Harmony's gentle coos interwoven with Melody's enchanting songs. Despite their contrasting vocalizations, their harmonies complemented each other, forming a rare and beautiful connection. Embracing their unique attributes, the nightingale and the dove embarked on awe-inspiring adventures. They explored the vibrant meadows, the trickling brooks, and the tranquil groves, sharing tales and songs from their differing worlds. Melody enchanted Harmony with tales of moonlit nights, while Harmony shared stories of the skies and tranquil afternoons. One day, a beautiful symphony arose in the heart of the forest, a grand concert of nature. Melody and Harmony, encouraged by their shared love for music, collaborated, blending their voices to create a mesmerizing harmony that echoed through the woods. Their symphony reached the ears of the townsfolk, and soon, a grand celebration was arranged to honor the extraordinary pair. The villagers marveled at the unique friendship between the nightingale and the dove. However, their joyous celebration was interrupted when a sudden storm hit the forest, endangering the peace and safety of the creatures. Determined to help, Melody and Harmony combined their songs, crafting a harmonious lullaby that soothed the storm, calming the winds and rain. Their united song brought tranquility back to the forest, and the townsfolk were amazed by the power of their melodies. The villagers celebrated their brave and harmonious effort, hailing Melody and Harmony as symbols of unity and friendship, acknowledging that even the most unlikely friendships could create miracles. Their tale became the heart of a legendary saga, a testament to the profound bond between a nightingale and a dove, and the remarkable adventures that spoke of unity, courage, and the enduring beauty found in a friendship as unique as melodies and harmonies.